According to the reading passage, when did Smokey make his big hit, Shop Around? A. Before he met Berry Gordy. B. During his first semester of college. C. After his first big hit. Or D. After he met Berry Gordy. We can immediately eliminate choice C, after his first big hit, as the question is asking him when Smokey made his first big hit. So to answer with after his first big hit doesn't make sense. In terms of the other three choices, let's take another look at our paragraph. We see the paragraph tells us that Smokey was in his first semester of college by the time he met Berry Gordy and the four men who would become the Miracles. The words "who would become" here indicate that they had not yet formed the Miracles nor written their music. Therefore, his first big hit cannot have been written before he met Berry Gordy, nor during his first semester of college. We are left with D, after he met Berry Gordy, which, reading our text again, fits in perfectly with the chain of events.